All right, it's been a while since I did a real video instead of those silly picture videos. It has been extremely hot. Today is actually cool. It's about 86 under 90. It was getting up into the hundreds. As you can see up here, it's been maxing out at around 110 degrees. Of course, for mushroom production, those sort of heats are not that good. However, I did fix the evaporative cooler, and it does bring the temperature down a bit. We're inside here, and this is the evaporative cooling system up at the top. It's basically some sprinklers, some reptile misters that are attached to a tube, and then there's a secondary plenum under here that the water gets sprayed into and cools down the environment a little bit. This is on the south side, and we're looking at 60, 70, a little bit under, it looks like 60, 70, just about 82 degrees or so, similar to outside. Here's the mint aquaponic, the mint filter. The mint biofilter is going well. As you can see, the mint is going like crazy. Here's my little banana tree that's starting to put out some more leaves. There's some compost here. Everything dries really, really fast in here because of the heat. There's an old microgreen bed that I've been sort of letting go. And now we're going into the mushroom chamber. I've already gotten a bunch of flushes. This is an oyster mushroom bed. And as you can see, it looks like around 75 degrees in here and about 70% humidity. I'm going to drop this humidity tent to give them a little bit more humidity. But right now, I've gotten a few flushes of oyster mushrooms out of this bed. And I added a straw layer because I noticed the mushrooms, the mycelium was getting a bit dry. There's the evaporative cooling system. It's a pump. And the pump, of course, sprays water, which cools down this area. This is the wine cap bed that I've put one of the oyster mushroom blocks into. I added a humidity tent because I also noticed that it was drying out a little bit. And of course, there's the other mint and mulberry experiment. And I think right now is just too hot for the blue oyster mushrooms. So probably these guys here won't be fruiting until we start getting some colder weather, which probably won't happen till fall. Here we have the fishes, and there's the automatic fish feeder. They pull on that little wire there, and then the fish food drops out of this homemade container here. And you can adjust the amount that comes out by lowering that little lid right there. And let's see over here. Yeah, we've got about 80. Yeah, it's about 80, almost 88 degrees or so. So there you are. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll be trying to do more regular video outputs. If you want to get more information, I do have a OU812 Aquaponics Facebook channel, which gets updated with pictures more frequently. Oh, and finally, we have the black soldier fly composting system. It also does. It also uses worms, and basically, this system is just a box that I made that we put our compost into, and you can see there's a bunch of worms. These are black soldier fly larvae. There's a few worms here that are trying to escape. It's kind of hot in there, so right now it's barely habitable for the worms, so hopefully they will do okay. And now you can get a shot of the black soldier flies just munching away. These guys were microscopic. They're like super tiny, but they eat really, really fast. And as you can see, I just put this stuff in here yesterday, but you can see they just decompose everything extremely fast. And the output of this bed is some super rich, biologically rich soil. Now what I like to do is stick this into the fish tank in order to feed them some of the worms, or the black soldier flies. And I also like to do this because, oops, I think this is a little bit too high. I also like to do this because I think that getting this wet actually serves the purpose of acting kind of like an air conditioner for the worm bin, the worm in the black soldier fly bin. So that's all I've got today. I'm going to go ahead and log off since I can't do this with one hand. But you guys have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, share, and I will be updating you guys soon. Thank you.